on the hill, stretched and yawned. Mama said, stay where I can see, but they waddled off, wild and free. Five little ducks went out to play, over the hill and far away. Mama duck called quack, 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 quack. Only four little ducks came back. Four little ducks found a muddy stream, splash so big made the water gleam. They chased a frog by a bending tree. One duck hid, thought you won't find me. Four little ducks went out to play, over the hill and far away. Mama duck called quack, 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 come back. Only three little ducks came back. Three little ducks saw a field so wide, followed butterflies side by side. They rolled in clover, soft and green. One duck stayed where the flowers gleamed. Three little ducks went out to play, over the hill and far away. Mama duck called quack, 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 quack. Only two little ducks came back. Two little ducks heard a windy song. Leaves flew fast as they walked along. They jumped in puddles, splish and splosh. One duck paused by the tall, tall grass. Two little ducks went out to play, over the hill and far away. Mama duck called quack, 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 quack. Only one little duck came back. One little duck felt a raindrop fall. Clouds grew gray, shadows on the wall. He missed his brood, felt a tiny tear. Turned around, I want Mama near. One little duck went out to play, over the hill and far away. Mama duck called quack, 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 quack. But no little ducks came back. Mama duck walked to the river bend, called and called, where are you, friends? Through the reeds and the dripping leaves, echoed softly on the breeze. And then five little ducks ran down the track, over the hill and hurried back. Mama duck laughed, quack, 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 oh yeah! All my little ducks came back. Five little ducks safe in a row, snuggle close where the soft winds blow. Mama whispered, it's time for bed. Five little dreams in the nesty shed.